Hello friends, I'm back with a new topic प्रोग्रामिंग विद पाइथन। दोस्तों, मैंने लास्ट ईयर 6th क्लास में पाइथन लैंग्वेज के बारे में पढ़ा था। नाउ आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन पाइथन। इट इज रियली इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड लैंग्वेज लाइक आवर लैंग्वेज हिंदी और इंग्लिश। Python is a computer programming language with very simple syntax similar to the English language. It is an interpreter language, means it translates an instruction into machine language and executes it before action. It is an interactive, object-oriented and high-level programming language. Today I am going to create a program to show a number is prime or not. I will explain different Python terms during building the logic of this program. Before starting, please make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Now get started. दोस्तों, मैंने अपने स्क्रीन पर Visual Studio Code खोल रखा है, where I will build a logic for the number is prime or not.
So I'm going to write code to validate an input number is prime or not. I have already opened VS Code where I'm going to write prime number program. Basically, prime number is a number which divided by 1 and itself. Here I is a variable of type int. So basically, variable is a container which holds value. Now, here input is a Python keyword and function which is used to take inputs from a user. Int is one of the data type used in Python. Here, in second line, I have used if-else statement, which is a control structure in Python. It tells the condition defined in the if statement is true, then do this, or then perform the action in else statement. As I told that if-else statement is used to validate the condition true or false. Here I am checking that the input number should be greater than 1, means we are checking the prime number from onwards 2. Here, if in if statement we have to put the colon at the end, and same is applicable for all the control structure and loops. In next line, I have used for statement, which is a looping structure, and it is used to iterate, repeat a specific block of code a known number of times. By default, it starts. In next line, I have used for statement, which is a looping structure, and it is used to repeat a specific block of code a known number of times. By default, it iterates index 0, but here I have used range function starting from 2, iteration from 2 and run till input number, that is I. So for this for loop will iterate from 2 input number to check the input number is prime or not. Here I have again used if statement and checking that input number is returning 0 after dividing by iteration for loop, which starts from 2. Here percentage is used to modulo operator, which return the remainder of 2 number in Python. In the next line, I have used break statement. It is used to stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. So, in input number is dividing by first iterator means 2, it returns a 0 as remainder. It will print the statement which is not a prime number. Then it comes to break and complete the program. If remainder is not 0, then it will break with the next number 3, 4, so on till the input number. And finally it will come to else statement. And finally it will come to else statement. Else statement is 1 less than input number. Here it iterates through all defined number in, and finally it will come to else statement if to check if iterator is 1 less than input number. Here it checks it iterates through all defined number in range and finally validates this number is a prime number. If input number is not greater than 1, it comes to else. If input number is not greater than 1, it comes to else statement where it prints please enter number greater than 1. Now let's run this program. To run this program, click on the play icon at top of the right corner as shown in my screen and click on it. Now as you can see, enter the number which is coming from the first line of code of my program. Now I will type 1 and press enter key. If it gives please enter number greater than 1 means it is coming from this statement. It is coming from this statement and it means that we have to enter the number greater than 1. Now click on again. Now I will type 5, then press enter key. It is showing that it is a prime number, means it is coming from this statement. It shows that it is a prime number. Now this loop. Now we will take another example. 7, 191. It is again showing it is a prime number, means it is again coming from this statement. Now we will take example of 2. Then enter. Now it shows input number is the smallest prime number which is coming from this statement. I have added 3 lines of code and checking if the users and entering 2 as input number. So in this case I am directly printing this is the smallest prime number, as we all are aware about it. If the number is greater than 1, it will be in else condition the for loop. This is my first program जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया है. दोस्तों, hope you like my this video. कृपया इसे शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, that I could share more videos on different topics on Python. Thank you so much and have wonderful